Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox Executor not opening. First, always check your internet connection to ensure it's stable and reliable. A poor connection can prevent the Executor from launching correctly. Next, make sure Roblox itself is completely closed before you attempt to open your Executor. Running the Executor as an administrator can also resolve many permission-related issues, giving it the necessary access to function properly on your system. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth start. Sometimes, your security software might be the culprit. Try temporarily disabling your antivirus or firewall to see if it's blocking the Executor. Windows Defender can also be quite strict, so verify its settings aren't interfering. Furthermore, close any unnecessary background applications. Other programs running simultaneously can sometimes conflict with the Executor, preventing it from initializing correctly. Addressing these potential software conflicts is a key step in troubleshooting. If initial checks don't work, a fresh start is often best. Completely uninstall your Roblox Executor, then download and reinstall it from a trusted source. Also, ensure your Roblox client is updated to its very latest version, as outdated clients can cause compatibility problems. Don't forget your graphics drivers. Keeping them current can resolve many unexpected software behaviors. These reinstallation and update steps are vital for optimal performance. For more persistent issues, consider clearing your Roblox cache and temporary files. This can remove corrupted data that might be causing problems. Also, check for any pending Windows operating system updates. Sometimes, system-level patches are required for software to run smoothly. If all else fails, and you've tried every solution, it might be time to explore using a different Executor. There are several reliable options available.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.